Our philosophy at Georg is trust, trust, trust. The company Heinrich Georg is a family business in its third generation, owner-managed. We manufacture products for coil processing, and we produce roll grinding machines. Our products are technologically leading. We can truly say and proudly claim we set the benchmark wherever we operate. We aim to optimize processes. A well-functioning machine alone is no longer enough today. We need to include processes, what happens before and after, into our world, and that's what we do. Among the new products, besides classic mechanical engineering and plant construction, is the Georg Smart Factory.
The Smart Factory is a cloud service we offer to our customers. It's a complete package of software and hardware. The goal is for our customers to increase productivity on their shop floors. Industrial Edge provides us with the foundation we, as machine builders, need to create such solutions and later market them to our customers or bring them to market. Specifically, this means we connect our machines as well as third-party machines with Industrial Edge. This means Industrial Edge hardware is installed on the customer's machines as part of the software. It ensures we can capture data and ultimately send it to the cloud, to our cloud service. We also use Industrial Edge for the secure management of these systems.
I can tell you that in our own mechanical production, we've achieved a double-digit percentage productivity increase in a very well-organized mechanical production.
The main reasons why we chose Industrial Edge are IT security, system openness, and the ability to develop our own software, apps, and build on it. Also, scalability. We have a management system that enables us to roll out our product and networking worldwide and offer it to our customers.
The response and interest are great. We are just starting the rollout. The first customers are now using it. And the initial feedback we've received has been very positive. The path we began a few years ago, moving away from classic mechanical engineering towards process optimization, requires partners. It requires innovative technologies. We are very glad to have found a partner in Siemens over the years and into the future who provides this.